Welcome back to the free questions and answers for remote workers blog. Let's get into today's opportunity. The customer line representative provides friendly and efficient service to all customers, both internal and external, following department customer service and quality standards. The representative follows established department guidelines and adheres to the established contact center metrics. This position assists and resolves customer issues in an efficient and timely manner while adhering to Apple Bank's contact center and complaint management procedures. The representative is responsible for the promotion and communication of all bank products and services in order to meet the customer's financial needs. The representative will adhere to call quality metrics in order to meet department call and quality standards on every customer interaction. In order to be considered for a fully remote schedule within the digital banking department, minimum travel requirements must be met. Employees' daily commute requires crossing a bridge/tunnel and/or employee. You can read more on my Medium page. Click the link in my description below. Also, subscribe here to keep up with future opportunities. Follow me on Medium. Let's get to 100 followers.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.